guide you through how to add your Payoneer account in your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook page and make sure you're using professional mode or have access to monetization tools. Then tap on professional dashboard and look for monetization or payout settings section. Next, click on Payment Settings or Payout Account. After that, select Add Payment Method and choose Payoneer from the list of available options. It will then redirect you to your Payoneer login where you need to sign in to your existing Payoneer account or create one if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, approve the connection between Payoneer and Facebook by confirming the authorization request. After that, go back to Facebook and check if your Payoneer account is successfully linked under your payout details. Make sure to set it as your primary payout method if required. And finally, double-check your account name and details to avoid payment issues so your earnings from Facebook page monetization, stars, or ads will be sent directly to your Payoneer account without delay.